So, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. So, children, we were doing HCF and LCM. What is
Yes.
HCF means? Highest common factor. Highest common factor.
Common
So, we can
factor.
say the greatest number that divides the given numbers exactly. And what about LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. So that is the smallest number. Yes. Smallest number. So least common multiple. So we were finding out the HCF. We will write all the factors and we will write the common factors. Then we used to find the highest from the common. Okay. Now second method we discussed, that is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, I show you factor tree. We can write the factors as a product of prime numbers. Prime numbers, that is very important. And who can tell me what is prime number?
Numbers which only
Okay, so prime numbers means that numbers have only two factors, one and the
number itself.
okay. So whenever you do this prime factorization, if you are writing the two numbers, we are writing the product as of two numbers, check all the numbers are prime. Further we can divide it or not. Check again, it is divisible again by 2 or 3, like that. Okay, now how we LCM also we have discussed. For how least common multiple, we will write the multiples of like two numbers, then write the common multiples, and from the common multiple you have to find out the smallest one number. Can we write the highest common multiple?
no.
Because you know the multiples, they are not limited. We cannot find which is the highest from
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I had some connectivity issues.
Okay. You joined late. Okay, now you can join. We just started. So, least common multiple means you can find only the least. Highest common we cannot find because the numbers, they are not limited. It is not limited. Okay, so we cannot find out the highest common from the multiples. Okay, so I will do one problem.
Okay, ma'am.
With the prime factorization, then we will move on to workbook problems. We have,
Okay,
I think we have completed till 16.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to start from 17. Okay, so we will do one question using prime factorization method. Afterwards,
Okay, ma'am.
we will do the more practice in our workbook. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Gautam, can you read the question? Yes, Gautam.
Find the HCF of 8 and 12.
Find the HCF of 8 and 12. Find the HCF of 8 and 12. So we know that method, listing out all the factors, then finding out the common factors, then from the common factors to find the highest one. So here we are going to do prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So children, one method I show you, that factor tree. Okay, factor tree. Okay, Deva, can you please unmute and help me to write the factor tree?
Yes, ma'am.
How can I get the 8 as the product of two numbers? One factor here, another factor here.
Yes.
Yes. Tell me the numbers.
2 and 4.
Very good. 2 and 4. Anandesh. Tell me which is the composite number and which is the prime number.
Yes, ma'am. 4 is the composite number.
This 2 is prime. So no need to do anything. Here 4 again How will I write?
2 into 2.
2 into 2. Very good. So children, how can I write 8? I can write 8 as these two, only the prime numbers. 2 into
2 into 2 into 2 into.
2. So children, after writing the factors, multiply and check. 2 into 2 what? 4. 4 into 2, 8.
8.
So after writing the factors, you have to check when you multiply by all the prime numbers whether you got our question, that 8. Okay, next question is 12. Here also we have to write 12. Okay, so 12. Agnay, please unmute and tell me, how can I write 12 as factor 3, product of prime numbers? Yes, Agnay. Unmute.
Ma'am,
Tell me 12 as the product
2
of
6.
2 into 6.
6.
Okay, now again what will I do?
We should
Hmm.
write 2 into 3 for 6.
6. Because 6 is a composite number. We can multiply again
2 into 3.
2 into 3. Okay. Now only the prime numbers you have to write 2, 2 and 3. So
3.
12 can be written as 2 into
2 into 2 into 3.
Now check, multiply and check whether you are getting 12. 2 into 2?
Yes, ma'am. 4.
4.
4 into 3, 12.
12. Now HCF, the highest common
Common
factor,
factor.
you have to take from here the 1, 2 is repeated. So you have to write 1, 2 into.
2 is
Again one more set of 2 is repeated. Here 2, but here 3. So we cannot take that one. It is not common in both the numbers. So what is the answer?
4.
2 into 2.
4.
4.
4.
So 4 is the HCF. 4 is the highest common factor. Children understood?
Yes, ma'am.
First you have to write 8 as the product of prime numbers. So children, I will show you if you are not drawing the factor 8 divided by 2. What is 8 divided by 2?
4.
4.
4.
4 again you have to do one more time 2.
2.
2 into 2.
2.
Again you will do
1.
1. So here how we can write this?
2 into 2 into 2.
2 into 2
2
into
into 2 into 2. So now look at here. How we can write 2 into
2 into 2 into 2.
2.
2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So if you are not drawing factor tree, you can use this method. And children, 12. Listen here. If you don't know how to divide like this, you can draw. This one is easy for you. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
12 divided by 2, 6. Again, you have to do again with the 2. So if you
2
have any
into 3.
problem, and do again 3. Now this is 3. Now 3 divided by 3 is 1.
1.
1.
Now check here 2 into
2 into 2 into 3.
3. Okay. So if you draw the factor tree or if you do like this division, you will get the prime factorization. Okay,
Ma'am,
is
we
that
should
clear?
do this.
Huh?
Ma'am, we should do it in workbook.
No, not this question. We will do another question. So this HCF is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, now take page number 64.
64.
And we
64.
can do question number 17 and 18. Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, when we do, we will look the common factor and take the biggest from that and write as
That method also we can use.
no, ma'am, but in this, when you draw the prime numbers tree and you got the two has the common
Two is
number
repeated
and
two
you
times.
multiply.
Look at the question again. Here, 2 we can take 1. That is common to 1, 2. Here again 1 common 2. So we have to multiply these two. 2 into 2, 4. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. When the now one number is repeated 2 times, we should multiply it.
Yes. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
children, I will show you the other method which we have done previous. Right, all the children, all of you, before starting, you can use the other method. How we were doing first, 8. What are the factors of 1 into 8? 2
1, 2, 4, and 8.
4,
Okay. Okay. Now 12. How we can write 12? 1 into
1, 2,
1 into 12,
2
12.
into 6
2 into 6.
3 into 4.
to
1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
okay.
12.
Now from here, common factors 1,
1,
1,
2,
2,
4,
4,
4.
4.
Okay. Now which is the highest from this common?
4.
4. Okay. So
Okay,
if
ma'am.
you have any method, if you do this question, you will get the same answer. Now we have,
Okay, ma'am.
written the all the factors, and from these factors you have to write the common factors, and from the common you can choose the
We should
highest.
find the highest common factor.
Okay. So the other one, that is
Ma'am,
prime factorization.
now I understood.
Okay. So children, this writing the common factors, it will not be possible for big numbers like 52, 61. It's like how you will write all the factors. It will be difficult when the numbers are getting bigger. In that case, prime factorization will be more easy. For the small numbers like 12, 8, 10 and all, we can use any method, no problem. But for higher bigger numbers, no, I think this prime factorization will be easy. Okay. So all of you please take page number
Okay, ma'am.
17.
Ma'am,
No, page number 64, question 17.
ma'am,
Ma'am, we can do this to find the highest
There is connection problem.
common factor. We can use this three
Yes, you
methods.
can use that method
Ma'am.
also.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
ma'am, this 17 question can I do both division?
We can use any method, but now we will practice prime factorization for this. Okay. Otherwise,
No, we should only write prime factorization for this number or division.
we have to find out the HCF. Any method you can find out the highest common factor. Okay. So now we will use prime factorization method. Okay, children.
Okay,
So what
ma'am.
is the question? Question is find the HCF of 12 and 16. 12 and 16. Page number 64. All of you, we can do together. Page 64. Question number 17. We have to find the HCF of 12 and 16. 12 and 16. Okay, so 12. You can use that method, 12 divided by 2. How we were doing just now, we have discussed this question. So how we can write 12? We can write 12, 2 into 3. Now multiply and check whether you got 12. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Now 16. How we can do 16 2 times? Find out. Yes, Manu. 16 divided by Manu. Unmute and speak. 2. When you divide 16 divided by 2, what's the answer? 16 divided by 2, 8. Okay. Again, you can divide 2. What you will get?
4.
4. Again, one more time. 2.
2.
2. So that means we can write 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now multiply and check whether you are getting 16. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. You have to multiply and check whether you have written all the numbers. Now, so 12, how we can write the prime factorization method? 2 into 3. So when you multiply 2 into 2, 4 into 3 is 12. Now 16 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So HCF, next question, next step. Children, you have to write this step, this division and all you have to do on the side. How you will write the step? 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Now 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now the next step, HCF is equal to. Anthony, can you look at the prime numbers and tell me what is the highest common factor? We can take.
Ma'am, it's 4.
Yes. How we will write? 2 into
2.
2. What's
It's
the answer?
4.
4. All of you check whether you got the correct answer. The highest common factor is
Yes, ma'am.
4. So question number 17, HCF is 2 into 2 is 4. Now question number 18, LCM, like this method we will do in our next period. Okay, LCM no need to do it now. Question number 19. Yes, Anandesh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
During primes, during dividing, if we get more than one common factors, we should multiply the highest one and find the high HCF.
Yes, yes. If it is repeated 2 times in both 12 and 16. That's why we had to write 2 into 2.
Ma'am, if there are more than 2, if the common factors are 2 and 3 while dividing, we should multiply 3 into 3.
The question is not clear for me. Yes, Anandesh.
Ma'am, while prime factorization or dividing, if we get more than one, if we get more than one, if there are 2, if there is 3 and 2 are there are 3 is common and 2
Yes,
is also
then you
common.
have to multiply with 3 also. Yes. Okay. When we will do more problems, you will be understood. Okay. Yes,
We
Agnay.
should multiply the highest.
You have to multiply by the highest number of common factors. Okay. Yes, Agnay. Agnay, you are asking something?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, we can divide both together, both 12 and 16
Both
together.
numbers together. That also we can do.
And HCF is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4.
Yes.
Right?
First we will study like this, one, then we will study like that. Okay.
Now, can I do like
Together.
that now?
Together. If you are not getting confused, you can do it now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 19. Question number 18 we will do later. Question number 18 we will do later. HCF. Question number 19. Daniel, can you read question number 19A? Please unmute and read. Taking now only the book. So you are not writing? Okay, okay. Read question number 19A. Find the HCF of? Not clear. I am not able to hear. Speak louder. It is unmuted, but you can use the speaker now near your. Yes. Not? Okay. Isha, can you say the question?
Find the HCF of the following. A, 14 and 21.
21. A, 14 and 21.
1.
Okay. So Isha will help me. Okay, 14. How can I divide? 14 divided by 2 is
7.
7. Very good. Now see, 7 is a prime number. We cannot divide 7 by 2 also, 3 also. So we can take 7. Okay. 7 divided by
ma'am.
7 is 1. So
1.
how you can write 14 as 2 times 7? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now Diya, unmute and tell me how we can divide 21. Can I divide 21 by 2? Diya, please unmute. It's not clear. Sri, now who is that? Diya, can you hear me? Please unmute.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Adil. Unmute and speak. Adil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 21. Can I divide 21 by 2? Use the divisibility rule. Can I divide 21 by 2?
No, ma'am.
No, because look at the last number, 1. That is not even number. So which number I will divide with?
3.
3. Okay, 3 times what?
3 times 7.
Very good, 3 times 7. Okay, now 7, again 7 divided by 7 is 1. Now here 3 into 7. Multiply and check whether you are getting 2 into 7 is 14. 3 into 7 is 21. Now our aim is to find the HCF of 14 and 21. Look at the numbers. 2 into 7, 3 into 7. Adinath, can you look at the factors and tell me what will be the HCF?
Ma'am,
Ah.
7 into 7, 14.
Here
Ma'am,
2, here 3.
we should multiply.
Huh?
Ma'am, 7 into 7, 49.
No. We will take from these one set, we will take only one number. If it is repeated 2
Ma'am,
times,
7.
one more time again, we
Only
will
one.
take one more time. But here we don't have,
One more.
here we have how many times 7 is repeated?
1.
One time.
One
So
time.
how many times we can take 7? We can take only
1 time.
one time. Okay, children, if you do more problem like this, it will be clear. See here, 7 is repeated only one time. So we can take 7 only. 2 is not there in common for both the numbers. Also 3 is not there for both the numbers. Check again. How we can write? All the children, please check. Look at the board. 14 divided by 2, 7. 7. It is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. Only 7 can be divided by 7 only. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. So 14, how we can write? 2 into 7. That is 14. Again 21. How you can divide? 3. 3 divided by 21, we will get 7. Again 7. Here we can take only one set. One set is repeated. So the 7 is 7. Now children, if you want to use other method, that 14, the other common factor method. 14, how you can write? 1 into 14, 2 into 7. Okay, we are using our old method of writing all the factors and list out all the common factors, and from the common factors find out the highest factor. Now the next one is 21. 1 into 21. Now 2 we cannot do. 3 into 7. Now 4 we cannot take by 5 or 6. Now look here, which is the common factors? 1
And 7.
1 and 7. And which is the highest from here?
7.
7. So here also prime factorization method also we got 7, and writing all the factors, common factors, then find out the highest one. Also the answer is same.
7.
Okay children, question number B. Can you do alone and tell me the answer? Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, I was having some connectivity issues, so
Connection
I
problem.
didn't see the. Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
And I didn't see the 17th question.
17 questions. I will send the notes, okay? I will send the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I have already erased. Now, question number
Okay, ma'am.
16. Children, you have to write first 16 as the product of prime numbers. So check 2 into 16 can be written as 2 into 8. That 8 again you have to write 4 into 2. Again that 4 you have to divide 2 2. So how many times 2 is multiple? Yes, Fia. Unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this 19th one, B, can I do that prime factorization that like we are doing this like this?
That factor 3?
Yes, ma'am. Factor.
Ah, yes, yes. Any method you can do. Okay. So children, do alone and find out whether you got correct answer. All of you do alone. Yes, Anandesh.
Ma'am, 2
Completed?
into 2 into 2 into 2.
Ah,
Ma'am, 4
yes.
twos.
4 twos. Okay. What about for question number 420? 2 into 2 into 5.
And 1 5.
Ah.
2 into 2
So how many
into
times
5.
it can be taken common in both the numbers? 2 into 2.
Ma'am, 2.
Ah, 2 into 2. So what's the answer?
4.
4. Okay, very good. So I will write the answer on the board. Children, please check. Okay. So here, question number 19. 19B. Children, we have the numbers. What are the numbers? 16 and 20. Question
Yes,
number
ma'am.
19, 16 and 20. So I will write these factors. All of you check whether you got correct answer. You know 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. So how can I write 16 as the product of prime numbers? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 8 into 16. Like the same here, 20 can be written as 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Now we have to find out the HCF, highest common factor. We can take 2 one time from here. So that is 2. Again we can take 2 from here. That is 2 into 2. So the answer is 4. Okay, answer is 4. Check all you got correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
This prime factorization method, find out the HCF and LCM, they are little different. So first of all, you have to understand how you are taking the HCF. Yes, Anandesh.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, if a number has more than 3 groups, then we should multiply 3 times that number.
Yes, yes.
If 2
Yeah.
has 3
If two
groups, then
numbers
2
have
into 2 into 2.
2 3 times, we have to multiply 2 3 times. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
How many times we can take
ma'am,
common?
can you show the board
How many
once
times?
more?
Okay, I will show the board. Okay, so 16, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And 20 also we can write 2 into 2. So maximum 2 is repeated here 2 times, here also 2 times. So 2 into 2. Here 2 and 2 is there, but here it is not there. So we cannot take it as a highest common factor.
Ma'am, we can do it by
Other
2
method
into
also.
10. 2 into 10 also we can take, and we can get the same answer, right?
Angelina, 2 into 10 you can take. But this
No.
10 again you have to make
Yes,
it
ma'am.
to prime numbers. So it will
Yes,
be 2
ma'am.
into 5 again. So this factor tree, again you have to write 10 as 2 into 5. Then
ma'am.
also you get 2 into 2 into 5 again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
So children, whenever you write a prime, it is as the product of prime numbers, check any number, whether it is a composite number. What is composite number? It have factors more than two factors. More than 2 factors. So this, children, can you do, can you write one question in your rough book faster? The time is up now.
Yes,
ma'am.
16 and 24. Find the HCF. 16 and 24. 1624. 16 and 24. Do this in the rough book. We will discuss in our next period. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.
thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
What is the
ma'am.
question?
Thank
Can you tell me the
ma'am.
question? Can you tell me the question?
16
16
16 and 24.
Bye. Thank you.